In this video, I'll guide you on how to try out a demo on the trading platform. Then if you'd like to sign up for a Bybit account, you can click the link below this video's description and you'll be taken to this page and receive the best bonus from the platform of up to $30,000 for new Bybit accounts. If you deposit a lot and trade frequently, you will receive the corresponding rewards shown below. All you need to do is enter your email, password and click here to get started with a new Bybit account, and after you register you'll access the interface like this, where you'll click on the human icon above and then scroll down where you'll find the demo trading section right here. Just click and this is the demo trading interface. As you can see, it shows demo trading by Bybit here to distinguish between a real account and a demo account. To receive demo trading funds, go to this section, accept the conditions above and click here. To add funds, click here, click the gold button above, enter amount. For example, $1,000, click OK, added to USDT, now $150,000 demo. Return to account. This is the pair test market order. Leverage set to 10. Select order by USD. Example, open $1,000 long order. Click config. Order now. Open set. Take profit and stop loss, e.g. 5% profit, 5% loss, TPSL. Now set for the trade. Click link in video description to register new Bybit account for best bonus rewards.